So today we're working on my 2011 Chevrolet Malibu with a 2.4 Ecotech. It had been doing the P0014 code, replaced that sensor. Now it's got the P003, and it didn't have a lot of power going up hills. 148,000. I'm going to go ahead and change the timing chain. See if this cover will pop off. That's because I got that wood block in the way. Go ahead and get this front engine cover clear out of here. Got the cover off. Now we're going to try this. Pull this front guide. We'll see if the top part is broken. We won't have to pull the top bolt. And if the top isn't broken, I'll have to pull a plug up top and get that top bolt. Got that bolt out. It's not a broken guide, so I'll just pull the top part. Going back together, get the sprocket on the crank. We're going to put the balance shaft chain on before we get the primary. And it also runs on the water pump, which actually it doesn't matter. You have to line up, you see that little arrow, we have to line up the black links on this secondary chain, but the water pump timing doesn't matter according to other YouTubers. Balance shaft chain hung, see that link, you have to line that one up. There's the black link. This one here, you line that on that sprocket, and that one on that sprocket as well. Otherwise you get an engine vibration. Drop the chain down. You can pull it up with a hook, but I just find it easier to drop it while these cam sprockets are still off. Getting her all back together. You remember that slop beginning of the video? Still have a little chain slack, but the tensioner should take care of that. Getting ready to go back with the cover. Put the cover back on. I believe we have 10 cover bolts. A little hard to see. Get that cover on the tensioner, hang the belt. Valve cover, and then we'll be good to go. Got this 2.4 Malibu all back together. Yep, should start. She still has an exhaust leak, but throttle response sounds a little better.